Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Podio account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you permanently delete your Podio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to permanently delete your Podio account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common to switch over to a different software, and maybe you want to go ahead and permanently delete your Podio because you're not using it. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Podio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instruction there as well. But I've already logged into my Podio, and this is the home screen. Here on the home screen, if you want to permanently delete your Podio account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on account settings. Once you do that, you're going to see these 6 options at the top, and you want to be sure to click on account settings. Once you do that, you'll see these options on the left, and look to the bottom. You're going to see this section, delete account. Click on the blue button that says, I wish to permanently delete my Podio user account. Once you do that, you're going to get this warning that once you delete your account, you're going to permanently lose access to all of your Podio. You're not going to be able to log in, and everything's going to be deleted. If you're okay with that, click in this box and type in delete my account, and then click on the turquoise button, delete my entire Podio account. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Podio account, but there you have it, guys. If you're looking to permanently delete your Podio account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.